So the prosecution case proceeded over 23 days, and they called 38 different witnesses, including first responders, family members of John O'Keefe, the decedent, the medical examiner, forensic experts, and friends of Karen Reed's. The prosecution theory was that Karen Reed, while in a drunken state after a night of excessive alcohol consumption, hit her boyfriend, John O'Keefe, left him to die in the snow. The prosecution case culminated in the testimony of a crash reconstruction expert who tried to posit that, in fact, John O'Keefe's injuries were consistent with being struck by a car. And then at the very end of the prosecution case, the special prosecutor, Hank Brennan, played a clip of an interview that Karen Reed had done in which she acknowledged the possibility that she might have struck John O'Keefe. The defense case revolves around the theory that Karen Reed never struck John O'Keefe and left him to die in the snow, that instead she dropped him off at this house party in Canton. He went inside and got into a fight. The people with whom he fought then dragged him outside and left him to die in the snow. To develop this theory, the defense called 11 witnesses, culminating in a crash expert on Wednesday. That, in essence, is a battle of the expert witnesses type of strategy. This crash expert was juxtaposed against the prosecution's own crash reconstruction expert. The goal of the defense here is just to create reasonable doubt. It's important to keep in mind that the prosecution bears the entire burden of proof in a criminal case. They have to prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt.
Bye.